Welcome back to Underway Drifting and Dreaming. I'm Jennifer. My husband, Jim, and I are on the America's Great Loop. We are not cruising at this time. We're getting ready to haul the boat out. We're expecting 2 weeks of being on the hard. So we have a lot of jobs lined up, and we'll go through those with the videos. Here we're ready to go. Motor vessel Cetus is a 48-foot Kadey Krogen Whaleback, and we are going to head across to the main dock. When you come into Kingfisher and Demopolis, they'll have you go to the main dock, which has an office, a fuel pier, and you can pump out at that dock, and they have a great store. And then they send you to your slip. So when you're coming down in the fall, make sure you're calling for those reservations because this is a must stop. But across the way you can see the main dock over there, and then the haul-out facility is right next to it. But such a gorgeous morning. So we're going to have you come along and check out what we're doing after the boat is being lifted and put on the hard. Once we're at the main dock, we are going to pump off, take the bikes off the boat, and adjust the fenders for the lift. Here we go. Jim's going to line it up. Two of the dock workers on our boat. They're going to go ahead and help lining everything up. Getting everything lined up. Alright, you can see we're located just south of Michigan, down on the Gulf. We're off the boat. So we'll just take a real quick look at the hull. There's a few barnacles down there. Jim has a list of jobs that must be done. Here he's standing down the hull. He worked on the bow thruster, transducers, swim platform. He painted underneath the bed, which is where the batteries are kept, and so much more. So that list kind of continues. We're getting closer now to say that's enough.
But this all has to get done anyway.
It's just so great that you can lay down and work.
I know, it's more comfy on my back doing it this way.
So act like you're working. Yeah, it looks like a little, you sink my battleship.
I guess it could be.
Well, we find you up at the bow now.
Alright, so these are got the input shaft coming from the motor. It's got a little money shot back.
So we have our roof ladder that we use when we take down the mast. It is perfect. No rickety ladders here. So it's a constant climb. The boat is pointing bow down, so when you get on her, there's a slope. I'm just gonna set you down right there for a second. All right. So the cooler is filled with ice and watermelon. It is 4th of July. So this is what it looks like. So the marina office is right here. Next to it is the laundry room, bathroom, nice air-conditioned facility. The laundry, community room, bathroom, showers. It's nice and cool, air-conditioned. Rocking chairs, great. The store has a few marine supplies, a lot of t-shirts, places to pick up your mail. It's just wonderful. The boats are on the other side. It's about a little bit more than a quarter mile, but definitely less than a half-mile walk over to the boats. And then they have their own laundry facility, bathroom, community room on the other side. Kingfisher Bay Marina, the owner and the staff are fabulous. They go out of their way, above and beyond. Everything is clean. The bathrooms are clean, the laundry room's clean. It's nice and cool and dry. They take great care of the yard. It's mowed. There's not things laying around. On the marina side, with the boats in the water, it's nice. They provided us with a July 5th shrimp feast. So docktails for everybody, and they do have an RV area as well. So we're just very fortunate to have a great place to work in. And this is a wonderful do-it-yourself yard. There's a lot of people that live on their boats and work on their boats. All right, just another week, huh? Is it hot out here?
It's hot.
All right, let's see the temperature you are at. 96, 94, top of your forehead. 95. So what am I doing while Jim is out working so hard on the boat? I have laundry to do, and this is how I take it off the boat. I just string a line through it, and I lower it down over the side. Groceries, I bring it up the same way, tie it up, haul it up. I want to thank everyone out there for watching, supporting our channel, and following along. There'll be quite a few maintenance videos out with Jim continue working. There'll be a lot more videos to come. So next week we'll check into him changing out the bow thruster, electric bow thruster. So again, thank you for joining us, and we appreciate you.